The Kishigo heavy-duty vest keeps you in sight, on sight. This premium Black Series vest is designed with black mesh sides that provide contrast and style, and adheres to the 2020 ANSI ISEA 107 standard. The reflective trim around arms and piping down front and back sides are great to show human movement, so oncoming motorists see you sooner. This vest takes keeping cool to the next level with ultra-cool 100% polyester mesh and features a zippered front closure with durable webbing reinforcement and 2-inch wide high-performance reflective material on top of 3-inch breathable contrast material. For pockets, the vest has 2 lower outside cargo pockets with flaps and accessible pull tabs for easy adjustability. The vest also has grommets for flagging tape, a right chest 2-tier pencil pocket, a left chest heavy-duty gusseted radio/utility pocket with reflective piping, and 2 inside patch pockets. This vest is available to you in lime and orange in sizes medium through 5XL.